It's your boy Day back with another banger. If you're new, please like, share, subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell everybody. We over here at Small Engine Counts. We got my boy Miro right here. We got some Clutch Game member in the back, man. We out here, we getting parts for my bike. Hopefully, I can finish the bike. As you know, Ice House just let everybody know that the tournament starting for the pull start tournament. I think actually both tournaments start this Sunday. So if you need any information, DM Ice House at Ice House Racing on Instagram.
I was asking you today, I said, you know your boy hit that water, right?
Oh,
What you doing now? He jumped off the boat.
he drowning?
Huh?
He drowning?
No, he ain't drowning. But the man jumped off the boat. He's somewhere else right now. He getting his engine somewhere else.
Oh man.
Hmm?
What you talking about?
The man getting his motor done somewhere.
I don't know what this man right here talking about, y'all.
Oh, you know what I'm talking about. That man hit that
I
water.
don't know what you talking about.
That man hit that water. He
I don't know what
jumped
you
off
talking
that
about,
damn
Ice
boat.
House.
That man jumped off that boat.
I don't know what you talking about, man.
Okay. No, don't come over here and put your head down. See, y'all was on me.
I'm still on you, but I'm just.
Y'all was on me.
Just wait till my shit.
Okay,
Now it's gonna be.
Hurry up. Hurry up. That's the only thing I want you to listen. You ain't gonna have to be on my bumper.
That's what I like to hear.
You ain't gonna have to be on my bumper.
When we out there, it's
All you
just-
gotta do is just ring that phone and say, come on. We on kill.
I
We
heard
ready to
that.
go.
I heard that.
We on kill, please.
Coming soon, man. Ice House versus Fast Lane Racing coming soon. Y'all keep your ears open.
Keep your ears open.
Keep your ears open. Stay tuned.
No, keep your eyes open.
Keep your eyes
Because it's gonna be a gap.
It's gonna be
It's gonna be a gap.
Right. It might not be the gap you talking about.
Yeah, it's gonna be a gap.
But it's gonna be a gap. And all y'all gonna see is FLR in the back of that seat.
I've been hearing this, please. I've been hearing this. I heard this and everybody was telling me to get ready. And once I got ready, everybody disappeared. Everybody disappeared. They had 12 bites. I've been having the same energy. Ever since everybody ever knew me, I always had the same energy.
But just wait until we ready, man. That's all I got. Well, not we. I'm ready. Until I'm ready. You heard it from.
Right here.
You just turning everybody Ice House, huh?
I used to been I. You know what I'm saying? From back in the day. Matter of fact, today is your boy's birthday today too.
For real?
Yeah. 35.
35?
Yeah.
So I get to sock you 35 times? Happy birthday, man.
Alright.
Oh.
Then I won't even have to worry about your ass no more. I'm gonna just go ahead and race Mike from Eastside Racing.
Listen,
Me versus him, because we already talked about that
Would it
too.
knock our small motor down? We got. Okay. All right. You'll see. You'll see. You'll see better than I can tell you. You will see better than I can tell you. Nah, that's the only thing I can tell you.
Before it even happened, he gonna knock off a small motor. Y'all see? He just set it up in case when he get his ass whooped. Oh, that was a small motor.
Listen, please.
Okay.
Listen.
All right.
Listen. All you got to do, go do your history, right? Go back to the old videos. Look at the bike at the track. Okay? You'll see the blue bike ran faster. Okay? That's all you have to do. Huh? Listen, I'm racing you with the slower bike. We're racing you with the slower bike.
Just I make it a small motor. You didn't answer my question.
It's a smaller motor. It's smaller than that.
But it's still a big motor.
It's smaller than all the motors with them billet motors what they got out there. It's smaller than all the
You ain't raced no billet motor yet.
You know why? You know why, right?
No, you ain't raced no billet motor yet.
I wish this kid was out here right now, so he could tell them why. Because ain't nobody. Tell me why I ain't raced the billet motor.
There probably ain't none out there.
Huh? No, there's some out there, but you tell me why I haven't raced them. Day, you behind the camera. Why have we have not raced those billet motors, Day?
You got the parts or no?
They got billet motors out there running right now. I'm asking you why we have not raced them.
Why you haven't raced Eastside Racing billet motor?
I don't want to say that on camera.
Oh my my God.
I don't want to say that on
So are
camera.
y'all clicked up with Eastside Racing? Because you got your own jockey.
I don't want to say
Eastside Racing got their own jockey. Why you ain't racing Eastside Racing? They building motors ready.
Well, anybody know me? I'm like I say it again. Like I say it again. Like I say it again. I'm gonna just say, yeah, we probably clicked in with Eastside Racing. We clicked in with them now.
They clicked up. They clicked up with Eastside. Okay.
But you know why?
Hello.
Chosen few, yes sir.
Youngster,
Oh my bad.
what's up? Why we ain't racing no Billy Motors yet?
Y'all
Yeah.
called the Bill of Motors is playing around, right?
But why have we not raced? Why have we not raced the ones who was running? Why we have not raced them? Give me your what you think? Why we ain't racing? Is we running from anybody?
Hell no.
I mean, but after they raced or whatever at the tournament, all the Billy Motors, I guess they gotta.
They ain't got to do nothing. They ain't got to do nothing but get their ass out there.
Yeah.
That's all they got to do.
I mean,
That's all they got to do.
They was running
That's
all
what.
day.
Listen, I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear nothing about nobody running no motor all 2-3 times down the street. That ain't no all day.
Well, me myself per se, the motors that I see that they have, I don't think a Billy can even fuck with anything that they got running up against it. To be truthful with you, you know. Huh? Yeah, I saw a Billy motor.
Which ones you seen run?
Shit, I seen plenty of them.
Which ones? No, which ones?
He also seen.
Which Billy Motors have you seen
He also
run?
seen us test that other thing over there too.
I don't want to hear about none of that.
What do you like run?
He also seen us test that other thing over there
Charles
too.
Blue Bike run a little bit different.
Listen.
Yeah.
What time?
What time? Man, come on.
They be over there.
Every bike, all bikes. Where have you seen this bike run at?
Ooh.
That Billy, that blue bike.
That blue
On his street.
On his street. That's not a race street. So
It
you
don't
just
have to
see
be a race
you just
street.
see that bike make a full pass, right?
It don't have to. Listen,
Hey,
please.
what does that have to do with
Have anybody see the black one make a full
I
pass?
haven't
Nobody
seen the
seen
black one
it
make a
until
full
it
pass
came
until
out
it
there
came out.
and
You
did
right.
what it's supposed to
Right.
do.
Okay, I
Years
say
later.
it like this.
Every bike-
I put my money up against
That's
that bike
what's
right
up.
now.
And I'm gonna take that bet.
Hello?
As soon as my bike is ready, I'm gonna take that bet. I'm gonna take
Alright.
his money and
Okay.
all that on camera.
You'll see that.
Okay.
I'm gonna take all y'all bets.
Alright.
Everybody's.
All right.
Y'all can have faith in this man if y'all want to.
I got faith in that.
Oh, let me look at it.
Every bike is fast when it's running by itself. Every bike is fast when it's running by itself until it's next to another fast bike, then you can say if it's fast or not. Y'all say that blue bike is fast because there wasn't another bike next to it.
That bike is fast.
Cleve.
That bike is fast.
Cleve.
I'm just
I've
saying,
been
that
doing
blue
this,
bike run
man.
like Woody bike, bro.
I've been doing this, Cleve.
Like,
I've been doing this,
I'm not
Cleve.
gonna take from you because
I ain't gonna
don't know
take
what
from you
your bike
neither.
can
I ain't
do.
gonna take from you, Cleve.
Yeah.
But I've been doing this, Cleve.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying, Cleve? I've been doing this, Cleve. You ain't got a chance in hell, Cleve. You think you do. Okay. Okay. All right, that's what everybody been saying. That's what they saying.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, but like I
Cleve,
said,
hold
my
on for a
brother.
second. Hold on, please. You know, listen, just, I'm gonna ask you a question. Listen, Cleve.
You feel me?
You know the bike that we ran, they said it went 89, right? I mean 98, right?
I don't want to hear that shit.
Yes or no? That's what everybody. I don't even keep times
That
on the
don't
bike.
matter.
Just hear me out though.
I hear you.
I don't even keep times on no bike. You never see me running out there with no gun. I don't even care. But everybody ran to me and say, "Hey man, that bike running 98." He jumped out about shit. He was at least about 4 or 5 bikes out. Go look at the video. You can see it clearly on the video. Go to you know Pooh? Hood Rich.
I seen the video.
You see how far he was out? And you see how far we beat him? Oh, okay. All right.
Man, they said that was 5 bikes.
No, we whooped him by probably about 15 bikes. Ain't no damn 5 bikes. Okay, 5 bikes. No, he was out 5 bikes.
You whooped him by 15
Yes,
bikes, son.
I know bikes. Trust me, homie. Trust me. That was 10 to 15 bikes.
Yeah.
If you think that was 5 bikes, you don't know how to count bikes. Okay.
All these niggas money took. Okay. But that's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay. That's what we want. You keep this shit hyped up. That's why I love you, Ice. How I love you, Ronald. Keeping the sport alive, man. You feel me? But just know this. Woody's bike in the tournament jumped out on that red bike too. And beat him.
Because Woody jumped out on him.
And that bike wasn't even running right.
Listen.
During the tournament.
Woody jumped out on the man. Woody is making sure that's how he lost. He's jumping out. So I tell that man, hey, don't worry about nothing. Just make sure you just get it off the line. And the thing will do the rest down the street. That's all I tell him. Don't worry about that. We'll catch him down the way. We'll
Alright.
catch him down the way.
Alright. Coming soon, man. Like I said, Fast Lane Racing versus Ice House coming soon.
Listen, Woody was out there leaving.
We might even have to make all these spectators pay to even watch that shit, cause it's gonna be live for sure.
You're not spectators, better on.
Yeah, we got some hot shit.
Follow your boy on Ice House Racing on YouTube and Instagram. Please be going down.
All right. You know, he gonna be finally racing somebody. That's where it's gonna get him somewhere with this race. He ain't beat nobody yet. You feel me? Long Beach, like they crew was just made this year or some shit. Who is they? Nobody.
Hey,
They
they
ain't
stepped up.
nobody.
At least I'm gonna say this here. At least they stepped up to the plate. They didn't even talk. They didn't even do no talking. The two people who stepped up, they didn't even do no talking. They stepped up to the plate and like men. Everybody else is back there. Turn over here. Somebody go with the stick and swing and hit them bushes and get the rest of the niggas up out of them bushes. Right? Okay?
Yeah.
The rest of them in the bushes over there hiding right now. They hiding in the bushes.
Yeah,
over
but
there.
like I said, fam, I don't know what your bike can do. You probably do got some nuts in that motherfucking bike. You know, it just, but my personal seeing that bike. I mean, I saw a fat dude get on that bike and test roll that sucker, and it still jumped off like, and it gave rubber with a fat dude on there. And
That don't mean shit going down.
You right, he right. Cleed is right. Cleed is right. That don't mean anything. That don't mean nothing.
Charles started his motors, put his head behind that pipe, pop, pop, blowing fire, making noise. Oh, it sounds good. I don't mean shit
That don't mean nothing.
until that bike gets to the finish line.
It look like to me it means something because ain't nobody getting out there in the way right now. Nobody getting in that water right now, Cleed.
You got everybody scared. That's cool. That's how it
I don't want
happened.
them to be scared.
Guess what? We
I don't
had
want
that
them to be
same.
scared.
We had that same. When we had our 92-mile-per-hour bike and we run that tournament and went out there and was whooping ass, everybody was on the same way, scared to race. How many years did we had that street locked down? They tell us.
Years.
When my bike went 100, did anybody want to race that bike when it went 100?
Nope.
No. It's the same way. You got everybody scared right now, but I'm not. You feel me? I'm not.
Please, if y'all would, if them people would have made a call to me when you had that bike, they'd have made a call to me, and y'all would have been talking loud just like they were, because that's the bite I was coming for. Because everybody kept talking about 100-mile-an-hour bike. Now, that's the bite I was looking for. Everybody kept talking about some 100-mile-an-hour mini bike, and that's the bike we was looking for.
Well, that bike gone. We got some new coming.
But I heard it
New
was
and
back.
fresh
I heard the motor was back up here now.
New coming. New one coming. You feel me?
Come here, Cleve. Come over here, Day Day. Come here, Cleve.
Oh my gosh, this dude right here, man.
Lock that bread up.
lock that bread up.
That boy, Ice House.
Yo, sadly this video is short, but it's the end of the video. Here's a sneak peek of my motor. Bam! As you can see, it's gonna be pull start. So, and as you can see, look, the rusty crank. For everybody that's saying I'm stroker, look at the crank. It's rusted. It's all rusted. So therefore it's saying, once again, this is for Ice House pull start 4-stroke. Damn, I messed up. Ice House standard bore pull start 212 class tournament. So hopefully y'all enjoyed today's short video. If you're new, please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and please share the video. And it's your boy Data, and I'm out.